Hello everyone, in this episode of Smart Life, we'll cover the top 5 models available in the market. We made this list based on our personal opinion and hours of research, and I've listed them based on quality, popularity, price and more. I've included options for every type of buyer. So, if you're looking for an entry-level option or the best product money can buy, we'll have the product for you. Please check the link in the description below for more details. Let's dive into the video.
In this video, we'll show the 5 best shampoos for permed hair on the market that will help you to choose the best one for you. So let's dive into the video. Number 1. Most popular. Marc Anthony Curl Defining Shampoo. This twist-characterized shampoo is formulated with deeply hydrating and fortifying ingredients such as vitamin E, shea butter, and hydrolyzed silk. Frizz will generally ruin permed hair, which is yet another reason to consider Strictly Curl's Curl Defying Shampoo. The item effectively treats split closure and harmed hairs by imbuing them with excessive dampness and common oils, as implied by its rich, lavish recipe. The multi-use item eliminates unwanted frizz, leaving your hair soft, pleasant, and radiant. This profound, delicate purging shampoo feeds your locks from all sides and rethinks twists with its sans frizz and voluminous looks, thanks to its sulfate-free formula. Number 2. Ouidad Curl Quencher Moisturizing Shampoo. The Ouidad Curl Quencher Moisturizing Shampoo adds intense moisture while gently cleansing your hair. The luxurious shampoo hydrates your curls from within and provides natural definition and softness. It is formulated for tight curls and contains a deeply nourishing blend of chamomile, wheat protein, corn oil, and vitamins that leave your permed hair shiny and manageable. The key ingredients are chamomile recutita, flower extract, hydrolyzed wheat starch, and amino acid, panthenol, pythantriol, vitamin E, and vitamin A. Number 3. Arvazallia Advanced Hair Repair Shampoo. Arvazallia Advanced Hair Repair Shampoo contains argan oil and macadamia oil and is sulfate-free. When using this shampoo, don't be fooled by the lack of bubbles or air pockets. It's designed to gently shampoo your hair. This combination is the perfect shampoo for permed hair because the lack of sulfate means it won't dry your hair, and the argan and macadamia oils will add moisture on a case-by-case basis without making your hair oily. Arvazallia, based in fluoride, provides a 100% unconditional filament guarantee on all products. Number 4. Hask Curl Coconut Milk and Honey Care Shampoo. The Hask Coconut Milk and Organic Honey Curl Care Shampoo is a boon for those looking for a luxurious formula to treat their permed curls. It is infused with a memory curl complex that enhances and defines your curls and makes them frizz-free. The coconut milk and organic honey nourish and hydrates the hair. This shampoo cleanses your hair without stripping its natural oils and adds shine. It does not contain parabens, phthalates, sulfates, gluten, alcohol, or artificial colors. Number 5. Playa Natural Everyday Shampoo. Consistently shampoo by Playa is for ordinary days, but it has extraordinary properties. Aside from saturating your hair, the coconut chemical promotes volume and, as a result, healthy hair growth. Its formula is made with real coconuts, which help to shampoo the hair of all dirt and excess oil while also providing hydration to your wavy looks. This daily hair detoxifier is great for all synthetically treated hair, particularly permed hair. It is overly gentle on your hair and keeps the scalp from drying out because it contains natural ingredients including coconut oil.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates.